A bit of news for those tuning in at home. We are hopefully going to be joined by Lucio Cecchinello, LCR Honda boss, in around sort of 15, 20 minutes or so time. And I do believe that Fabio Di Gianantonio is going to be accompanying us in the commentary box at some point later on.
Not plans, you know, and look, we just went for it, sat down, and they told us to pull some cards and talk about it. And I've got to say, Lucio, I've been looking forward to hearing him here. He's so, I mean, he owns the team, and he has seen he's owned the team and been team manager for like since the early 90s. And how he sees the championship, how he sees it in the past and the future, he's very interesting. One of the most interesting I've spoken to about it. Really, I suppose being a team owner, it's not a manager, it's not the same as being a team manager in a factory team where your kind of role is more restricted. You've got to look at it from a wider view as a team owner. And yeah, super interesting.
Yeah, 2006 was the first time that LCR moved into the MotoGP World Championship. They started with a young Aussie kid, Casey Stoner. Apparently it was Marc Márquez that has taken the place of Enea Bastianini inside the factory at the Ducati garage next year. And unfortunately, as far as the beast concerns, it was in our season finale a couple of days ago that Marc Márquez also took away third place overall in the World Championship. Márquez finishing his first season with Ducati second in that Grand Prix, which did move him in the final reckoning 6 points clear. Bastianini second to a pretty miserable farewell to the Ducati, 7th place, and a few choice words of what he had for Aleix Espargaro after the race Thursday. He wasn't happy at the beast at all, was he?
Yeah, that's a feud that certainly carried on past the checkered flags. Enea Bastianini not too impressed with what he perceived was Aleix Espargaro not exactly out there racing for himself on the Sunday. He was, I guess, in his words, a little disappointed that Aleix Espargaro in his final Grand Prix spent most of it trying to help Jorge Martín, or certainly that was how Enea Bastianini saw it. Aleix Espargaro did in the end finish.
You know, so why didn't Enea beat me, you know, in GP24? So, yeah, fair comment.
That was coming from Aleix Espargaro has started the new adventure in his Grand Prix career. Of course, he has stepped away, announced back here in his home Grand Prix in May in a very emotional press conference that he pictures on social media. He's gone for a very much a Japanese theme, a Japanese set of leathers is being worn by Aleix Espargaro. Now, I know Aleix owns a couple of Japanese restaurants up in Angus, say the Honda.
Just from their point of view, with all due respect to Jorge Martín, clearly couldn't control the
there was a time I ever thought I would be more to see Marc Márquez in the bright red of the factory Ducati team, but he was pretty much their biggest enemy, their biggest foe. He was Grand Prix racing full time. He kind of spent a little bit more time with his wife, just say this,
in the world. What's more time in the race just the runners-up in the World Championships that are available to them. Of course, they would, I guess, hope to have been able to rid themselves of some of that by their results on track, but by into the concessions being available to them. So we'll see Aleix Espargaro, no doubt, doing private testing. Of course, he'll be out on track at the shakedown in Malaysia at the end of January next season, and of course, we'll see wildcarding through next season. Of course, he has proven over that he and is coming as a package over to Honda. Will certainly be an asset to that operation. Doesn't imagine the riding experience, and of course, the technical knowledge which Marc will be tapped into.
Nothing against even the talent of Jorge Martín, nothing against what he could do,
which Honda and Yamaha are in when it comes to the competition rankings. They get 260 rear tyres when you have so many test riders, and that is your budget of tyres for the year. And when you say that,
rides with those shoulder down shots going through turn 5, but this time around gravity taking over, so it's the first Aprilia crash for Jorge Martín, his first crash
done in his career
as a world champion. What did you make of it?
Until the very last race, he was kept pushing. And this is something, you know,
Token listriknya murah, di aplikasi GoPay selalu ada.